working hard, I see. You're doing such a good job. I'm really proud of you. Just keep doing what you're doing. That's the only way you're going to get out of this room. You can't just get up and leave. Understood?
Okay.
One day, everything is going to be okay. Understood?
Yeah.
Good, good. I'll be seeing you again very soon. I'm sure of it.
Me too.
Why not today, huh? I started wondering if you'd ever come back to us.
Come back? I was just there.
Everything's gonna be okay now, understood?